As the digital dawn rises, the job landscape is being redrawn by the relentless march of technology. It's not just about the jobs we'll lose to automation, but the new frontiers and opportunities it brings. The demand for digital literacy and analytics is skyrocketing, reshaping the workforce into one that's agile and tech-savvy. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence and automation are streamlining operations, yet displacing routine roles, sparking a shift towards jobs that demand human creativity and emotional intelligence. The gig economy blooms as digital platforms fuel a surge in freelance work, offering flexibility but challenging traditional notions of job security. And as hybrid work models become the norm, the need for effective remote collaboration tools and inclusive policies grows ever more pressing. In this evolving ecosystem, upskilling becomes a lifeline. Employers are investing in learning initiatives, preparing their workforce for the tidal wave of change. And with AI reshaping HR practices, data-driven insights are becoming the compass guiding workforce management. Navigating this transformed landscape requires a focus on human skills, empathy, self-awareness, and creativity. These are the irreplaceable beacons of the job market, ensuring that even as technology reshapes our roles, the human touch remains indispensable.